always thought that dreaming was for kids, just a childish thing. And I could swear love is just a game that children play, and no more than a game. Till I met you, I never knew what love was. Till I met you, this feeling seems to grow more every day. I love you more each day. I'm beginning to
Nag-interpret kayo ni Cariel.
every words that you say. I love you all the way. Now I could swear love is not a game that children play. So tell me that you stay.
Hey!
I never knew what love was.
Oo
Till I
naman.
met you.
Ganun naman.
This feeling seems to grow more every day.
Minnie Mouse, cute kayo. Cute kaya.
Ibang emo eh.
O, yung cute niya, effort. Sige, talaga galing mag-joke. So, madali ka bang matuto sa mga pagkakamali? Cariel?
Oo.
Kung liligawan mo ako, gano'ng katagal mo kung liligawan?
Hanggat pinasted mo ako, yun. Maganda yun.
Oo, di ba? Kung liligawan kita,
Can't you see? Till I met you, I never knew what love was. Till I met you, this feeling seems to grow more every day. I love you more each day.
Kinikilig kasi ako eh.
sorry. O sige nga, kasi ginagawa biro, pero totoo yung nararamdaman. Oo.
Alam mo, una pa lang kitang nakita. Kinikilig ka! Yan kasi Marbalin. Kinikilig ko? Kinikilig ulit. Yan ka. Oh. Una pa lang kita nakita. Nagustuhan na kita. Mukha mo, ang buhok mo. Hindi ko nakita. Kiss! 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 Una pa.
Siya na, hindi kami kasing tanda ninyo.
Hoy, mas